I tried Tokfundslive reviews app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Most people get this wrong. They assume investment apps promising quick returns are scams. I spent a week testing Tokfundslive to see if it's a legitimate platform or just hype. On day 1, I signed up and explored the dashboard. The app offers portfolio tracking, crypto and stock investments, and social trading features. Most people ignore risk disclosures, but Tokfundslive clearly shows potential gains and losses upfront. By day 3, I tried their demo investment options. You won't believe what happens next. The app provides real-time insights into market movements and even shows how other users' trades perform. The surprising truth is that social trading can be a powerful learning tool if used responsibly. By day 5, I explored funding and withdrawal processes. Most people get this wrong by assuming withdrawals are instant, but Tokfundslive provides step-by-step guidance to ensure transactions are secure and verified. Day 7 confirmed my final verdict. Tokfundslive Reviews app is more than a trading platform. It's an educational tool for beginners and intermediate traders. Most people underestimate how much you can learn from observing strategies and trends in real time. If you want to explore trading safely and gain insights from the community, this app is worth a try. The shocking truth. With the right approach, Tokfundslive can actually help you build smarter investment habits.